thing. Like a we. Yeah. Fucking hell. See? No, that's it, that's saying.
So we have to stop and talk to the fans. This is some of the things that we go through.
Not assisted. Oh. So I say stop. Unassisted. Okay. Unassisted. Oh,
yeah, but go without getting the unassisted. Without halfway.
unassisted. And then we cut and come back to you where I said.
Oh, I said that after.
Yeah, I understand what the doctor said.
Where you finished with a while ago? Yeah, we finished.
Okay, fine.
What was there saying about
Yeah, so they're really easy.
I like easy to clean.
rolling? Action.
I understand what you're saying still. It's really easy for me not to.
And it's not easy for Prinny either.
And like you said, I understand what the doctor said. Action.
Yeah.
Step back. Hold on, give me a second.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, leaf a leaf, branch a branch.
Branch.
And just stick that.
So if I leave.
Leaf, yeah. And for a branch, then just get cut off after a while.
Yeah. Said speed.
So, it's a road me go look for you now.
No, man, it's an island. The road me I look for.
Road me I look for now. Rolling. Action. How you want? When you forward that to him, you catch sheep at some point. Why you take on him?
Go close to your wife.
That's what I say.
Oh,
you want me to cut? I make it run and me and my...
Quick, how you walk?
Hmm?
How you walk?
Me I go closer to the Wi-Fi. I'm not saying. Say it, Villa.
What next last now then?
One more.
Brother, she sent me a scene. The first one at 2:23 and the one at 3 minutes something. I know I write the script, but as long the script was.
I just can't be in the same space with you and have a healthy birth. I know you're.
I mean, I think that argument that sounds good to me. Did I probably I'll cut it off? Not real life. I'm looking at the 2 minutes I'm here. And I'm pregnant and where and this and that. I said, Mama, you have better have gone with arm and his bag of chat.
I don't want to impede on your progress.
So we be terrible.
I have to look out for my well-being and the well-being of our child.
No, she go in. She go in. She got deep.
She want the people to beat me, you know? She want the people to beat.
But I like it.
She needs to say, I said, be here for you, I want to tour with it for you. You're going to raise a family, we need to get married.
This what? Whoa. Wait.
Work on the emotion.
That's why, because she want to find a place for ball.
It's a lot.
How much you want?
I don't need
I want to.
The woman, they
I
have
want
a
my
right.
own as well. I want that breakthrough so badly. I don't want to be ready for this child that we're having together.
But that's close up.
But until then,
Come on, I start texting the back, blah blah. 2 minutes, 3 minutes, I want a song. Album country.
You're evil.
Yo,
You're evil.
baby, I want to go. Yo. There's not me eat more than tears. I'm just a woman saw cry tears.
Oh, look, huh?
Where's it? Come go up.
Martin really Martin work. But you chose like to back around us. You Martin giving you the impression of Mullins that Mullins has set you up. Right. And just Right.
So when you so this way I show to the mornings is almost like a therapy session. With an informal therapy session, like you get some of the things about your system. And what is going to further infuriate you is the fact that Mullins has said to you, say, alright, listen, I don't have no wipes, don't have no extra diaper, can't wipe your ass and put on your quiet it down. And don't use this thing with me. What we want to talk about is what you've been doing. This thing where you get rid of some people involved with Carlton and the gun runnings and really, but all of this is feeling just it. So we're proof. I mean, and I said, no, we wouldn't be having this conversation. But you're trained, right? You know exactly what to have, and you know, hopefully use a shield, so you know, the law can just come pick you up just. You know, so they do your due diligence from the land Jamaica, you know, the lawyers and the rain, calm, so you're well.
I train you, so I know you're good.
So-
So you just become tedious.
So that is where, and also he's going to know that you know, like he took out the phone and said, she's beautiful.
Should I let him know that I know her?
I would know. But not know as in now, you know, say no as saying, they can't sit down, as I said. You know? And suppose one day a snap and
Can I need you a little bit by saying, you know what? Don't look at me like that's off limits because you fucked my son.
So you might throw them in the mix as well, for him so great. So now, imagine the state of mind you're in, because also you realize that he played this moment to a T. Him have somebody watch the front gate to tell you when you don't arrive. And when you don't arrive, you just get up and just go in the bathroom. And then I come and sit down in front of you with her back to the bathroom. And then he just step out and then inside and walk away. And you are a little bit distracted. So by the time you see a distraction and look over the shoulder, you know, so now you're going to have to deal with this thing now where she said, alright, you're here. And it's not just lunch, we want that.
Here's what you're going to
So you have to switch now from that thing where you really need to take toy about buckle and pin them to calm yourself before you're going to miss, because this man also threatened the woman real love threatened. This as far as you know. He would never touch her with a 10-foot.